friends, and welcome again. Today we are going to solve this math operation in which we have 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 2. Friends, 99% of you will get wrong. Okay. Now let's start with solution. First, we do this division because here are all divisions and we have to work from left to right. Okay, now this 4 divided by 4 equals 1, and remaining numbers divided by 4 divided by 2. Okay, all right, now this 1 divided by 4, we can write it as 1 over 4, and this divide 2. Here, 1 over 4 divided by 2. We'll apply KCF rule. Keep the first fraction as it is, change the sign, and flip the second fraction. Just like here, keep 1 over 4 as it is. Change division sign into multiplication and flip this 2 into 1 over 2. Easy, right? Okay, now here multiply bottom with bottom. 4 times 2 equals 8, and 1 times 1 equals 1. Finally, it's 1 over 8. Done. Guys, this is our final answer for above stated problem. Now, guys, like and subscribe my channel to stay connected always like a math tech family. And also, thanks for your valuable time. See you again. Take care.